Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I have another 4-stroke lawnmower. It doesn't have a rope and handle as well, so we have to fix this. So I will show you how to wind it. First thing, you put the rope in the handle. Tie the knot so you don't lose it. Second one. Next thing, turn this anti-clockwise or counterclockwise and hold it with the two hands so you don't lose it. Try not to over tension as well. So some people just use a screwdriver or whatever to hold it, but you can use, or you can not, you can hold with the hand. And make sure you lined up. Once both hold lined together with the good tension, I put the rope in, I got out, keep holding, you can use a screwdriver as well, easy for you. Just make a knot. Put it back on, and now slowly release it. Now that's all done, and you don't want to over tension that as well, it's gonna break. For the size of the pull cord rope, I have got this one, but some of them use thicker and longer as well. I use for two of them, so it's a 5 meters, 2.5 I use, but thickness can be different for different mowers.